Brats, we've gotten some weird Quest 2 accessories over time, and today we're gonna count down our top 5 for the weirdest ones we've found so far. Let's do it. WLC VR makes a head strap that's not really a head strap because it doesn't come with the strap. It straps on to your original head strap with this weird cuppy in the back and this head pad that's kind of like a halo pad, but keeps everything bad about the original strap, including its discomfort, its tight pull on the face. It's a bunch more money to make your head strap not really any better. Worst head strap we've seen, WLC, no, no, no. Now, unlike a normal gun stock that locks both your controllers in place, gives you the feeling of having a real rifle, these things are more like Wii accessories. Absolutely no purpose, maybe besides adding a tiny bit of weight to it, but really the main purpose is that you're gonna whack the crap out of everything in the room. When you're playing pistol whip and you're swinging these things, you're hitting yourself because of how long these are. Quest 2 guns are absolutely useless, but if for some reason you get your hands on a set, they're kind of fun one time. You're gonna play pistol whip and you're gonna feel that extra weight when you swing and you're gonna go, oh, these are kind of fun. You're gonna put them in a shelf and you're never gonna touch them ever again. Could it get any more pink? They thought of every direction of pink they could with this strap, and silicone cover, and silicone cover, and silicone covers, and silicone covers. This thing is pink. It's got drawings of little kitty ears with no kitty ears on top. I don't know what that was. That was the one thing they could have added, was the pink kitty ears. Not only that, they're subpar grips. They aren't attached to anything. They're just gonna get all loose on you. It's a subpar head strap with a terrible sounding gear on it. This thing that can just slip off while you're playing and then block your tracking. It's weird. Ugly is a matter of perspective. Some people would look at this and think this is gorgeous. I think it's okay, but it's weird. It's unnecessary. But if you really like pink, it might be for you. It's as pink as your headset's gonna get. Kiwi controller dumbbells. Because you're getting exercise with your VR headset and you want to add a little chunk of weight on top with some metal plates. Several weighted metal plates that you can swap out for plastic discs as you're getting stronger and stronger and you want to up it. Not saying these are necessarily terrible. They add weight, they add heft to the controller, but they are weird. They make the top look all bulbousy like this. The biggest problem with them, not even for the exercise component, but they kind of block up your analog stick. So you're really only going to want to use these if you are boxing and stuff, but consult your physician first because these could be hard on your joints. These could be tough on you and they're just going to be weird looking. Also, if you are someone who's ever hit yourself in the face with the controller and you do it with one of these, you might get a real knockout on yourself. Now we have a few honorable mentions before we get to our #1 pick, and I've got to bring up, these were meant to be a joke, they were meant to be funny, but all of the Oculus Quest Day accessories. This is a pair of socks for when you're playing VR that has little Oculus grip symbols on the bottom to help you grip the floor. There was a pet distraction mat that had pet treats to keep your pet distracted while you're playing VR. There was a Quest gingerbread house, Quest cookie cutters, Questy, the cute little plushie, probably one of the cutest things in the set, and even the Beat Saber ugly sweater. A lot of weird stuff came out on Quest Day, and that I actually can't wait to see what they come out with next year on Quest Day. Just before Christmas, we'll keep an eye out for it. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you had to know this was coming. The weirdest thing we've ever been sent. These plastic Beat Sabers. Now, these are meant to add to your immersion in Beat Saber or just be a fun party gag. But when you're swinging these things, you quickly realize how you disregard your limbs, your legs, your knees, even sometimes your head when you're swinging those sabers around, and you quickly start beating the crap out of yourself. But extra bonus points if you decide you want these awful things and you go get those awful Beat Saber hand grips, they weren't awful. They were kind of awful just because they made the weight so weird. But if you remember those from a long time ago on the channel, there were those long Beat Saber looking handles that hooked on the controller. You get those, you get these, and you've got the longest thing that you're gonna be whacking yourself all over with. What do you think out there? Have you seen another accessory that you're like, no, this is too weird, this should have made the list? Because I wanna know what it is, I wanna try it. I probably haven't come across it yet if you know of one, but I wanna play around with more absolutely ridiculous accessories, because this, we're getting to Wii levels of accessories here. This is absolutely ridiculous. But I wanna say thank you for coming out, checking out all these weird accessories with me, and I will see you in another reality. Weirdest accessories done.